Hey guys, today we're gonna look at what options we have when we want to sort an array of objects. We will first write our own function and we will see what are the major drawbacks of doing that, and then we will rewrite it using the Collator web API. Looking at the table, we see that we have an array of songs and we would like to sort it alphabetically ascending and descending based on the title and composer, and in an ascending or descending order based on the duration. Let's write our own sorting function, and this function accepts three arguments: data, which is the array of songs, the order, ascending or descending, and the column, so the property on which we would like to sort. We return data.sort A. If the order is ascending, we would do one type of comparison. Otherwise, we will do a different type of comparison. So, if the order is ascending, we will compare if A column is smaller than B column. So, if title of the first element is smaller than the title of the second element, we return -1. Otherwise, if A column is greater than B column, we return 1. And if they are equal, we return 0. In case it is in descending order, we do the opposite. If A is greater than B, we return -1. If A is smaller than B, we return 1. Let's check it now in the browser. You can now see that the titles are sorted in alphabetical order. Same thing for the composer. And the duration is in ascending order. And if we click again, we see that it is in a descending order. However, we see that the algorithm works fine for the strings, but the comparison is case sensitive, so we need to tackle it in order to fix our algorithm. How do we do that? We will lowercase all the values that are strings in order to be able to compare them. So I will check whether A column is a string. In that case, I would lowercase it. If I would know how to spell it, would be very nice. Otherwise, I would just return it as it is. And for B, I would say A column B column. And then I will replace A column with first and B column with second. And now we see that our algorithm sorts in a case insensitive way, and for the numbers the algorithm is not broken. However, we can see that if we have special characters in our strings, the comparison is broken. So this is one of the major drawbacks of writing our own comparison function. And in order to fix it, we will use the Collator API, which will do all the heavy lifting, and all this comparison will be handled by this web API. So let's try to rewrite our function. First of all, we will create the collator, which is new Intl.Collator. We will not define a language for this case, and we will provide some options. In our case, it's the specificity, which is variant, in order to compare that this C it's equal with the normal C and this S is normal with it's equal with the normal S. Let's try to rewrite our own function using the collator, data, order, and column. Data dot sort a, same thing as before, only difference is that now we use the powerful collator and its compare method, and we pass a column and b column the result. However, the collator only sorts in ascending order, so in case it is descending, we would like to reverse the array. So if order is descending, we return sorted dot reverse. Otherwise, we return sorted. Let's try it now into the browser. So if we sort by title, we see now that the special C it's in the C level, and the special S it's in the S block, while for the numbers it still works perfectly. So this is the sorting functionality of an array of objects. Thank you. See you next time.